Hey curly teas! Today let's make a buttery deep conditioning hair mask with nourishing cocoa butter, olive oil, and hyaluronic acid to get deep moisture and shine. Distilled water is very important when making products. Never use tap water for anything. I usually transfer my distilled water into smaller bottles with more durable plastic.
Distilled water is crucial in water-based products to ensure purity and prevent contamination, enhancing the effectiveness and safety of cosmetic formulations.
Alright y'all, glycerin is actually a wonderful humectant for the hair. It draws moisture to the hair, but it also keeps your actual product, your physical product, from drying out and cracking before you can use it all up. A lot of us were scared away from using glycerin years ago, but it actually is a fantastic humectant for the hair. It's in everything for a reason. It's not simply a filler ingredient. It serves a very important purpose. Now go ahead and adjust the pH to 4.5 here. I'm using a 50-50 solution of citric acid and water for this. Use 1 drop at a time, stir well, and let it sit for a couple of minutes before checking the pH again. Aminosenso HC, from my understanding, may have been reformulated. Look for Aminosenso Ultra MB instead. That one contains cetyl alcohol instead of brassica alcohol like this one. But honestly, if you can't find either of the aminosensos, you may just have to use BTMS 50 at about 6% and increase your thickener. Brassicyl valinate acylate, excuse pronunciation, uses the amino acid valine to get that cationic charge. Now, I could only find this product in Canada, which meant I had to pay a high shipping cost. For me, it's high. And for you, this may be no issue, but I have looked at the US suppliers and I have not been able to find this particular ingredient. I had to order it from Canada. In this formula, brassica alcohol is a thickener, much like cetyl and cetyl alcohol. However, it reportedly has additional moisture retention and conditioning properties. I wouldn't use it as a conditioner on its own though, and you can actually use this for hair care and skincare products. It's going to improve the viscosity of the final hair mask. Now, brassica alcohol itself is already an ingredient in the Aminosenso HC, but this additional amount just gives it that thick hair mask-like viscosity that I like so much. And just a side note here, for the skin, brassica alcohol is said to assist with improving softness and improves moisture retention. Like, I need to try this ingredient in a skin formulation. Cocoa butter is a nice emollient. As good as it is for the skin, it's also excellent for the hair. Cocoa butter has a nice chocolate scent, so you may be able to skip fragrance oil and still have a nice smell to this product. It's said to be high in vitamin E and fatty acids, which may help the hair retain moisture throughout the process of conditioning. I find it to be a beautiful addition here, but you can certainly use shea butter or mango butter instead. Okay, don't get mad. Don't get mad. The YouTube channel is not monetized, so obtaining a membership will help immensely. I respect all of you who not only understand how much goes into creating DIY videos, but also are members just to show support for what I'm doing here. I love y'all. I want to continue doing what I do, and the easiest way to support is to like the videos and subscribe at YouTube if you can't become a member at the CURLYTEA.com website. I appreciate you guys listening to me, and I hope I'm helping even just a little bit. The final product is a substantive hair mask that helps keep the hair moisturized. Now, I apply it and then put a plastic cap on the hair for about 15 minutes. After rinse off, I do find that my hair is more manageable and easier to detangle, but this isn't necessarily a detangling product, but I do notice a difference. So enjoy this moisturizing hair mask. Shout out to the wonderful subscribers at the website and the patrons at Patreon. Join us today to get all of the DIY information, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and so much more. If you're watching on YouTube, click the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to watch the next video. That's how you get us into the algorithm. I'll talk to you guys soon.